Oh, you're so noisy.
Look,
Sa iwan
we'll
mo
get it for you.
Ha? Unsa?
Ma, I get
Wag
it
lang natin to.
for you. Here go, Mama.
Ikaw din nag-get. Here go, Mama.
Eat bug rice, uy.
What's this?
Melon for Mela.
Melon for Mela.
Hindi siya maging ang
Kang Mila din ang melon.
Mm.
Na lang watermelon, kang Mila.
Mm.
Wow. Dato ang Mila. Ay, siya di. Wholesalers ng melon.
Ano, is, do you know, it's price for me. A price!
Ha?
Not siya.
Ana siya? Niya na si Mila? Oh, gisa. How? How?
Reaksyon na daw, be.
Again. Again daw?
Yum, yum.
Again, be?
Again daw, be.
Mira kami siya.
Huh? You like watermelon? What do you like? Watermelon or surprise egg?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Car or watermelon?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Watermelon or police?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Doctor or watermelon?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Chocolate or watermelon?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Watermelon or Robinson?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Watermelon or
Beach.
beach?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Watermelon or gummy bear?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Watermelon or eyeball?
Watermelon.
Sure? What do you like? Watermelon?
Nightclub. At sisil.
Oo, na crab sa Tisel. Oh, bigyan sa Tisel og crab. Ay, what do you like lang? Watermelon or milk? Ha?
Watermelon.
What do you like? Watermelon or money? Ha?
Ote.
Ha?
Ate.
Bate? What do you like? Watermelon or the pink car in the Shopee?
By skate.
Ha?
Nina.
Skate.
Skateboard.
Oh, saan yung ganahan? Watermelon or skateboard? Ha?
Skateboard.
Ah! You don't like watermelon? Ah. Biyan watermelon mo. You don't like man eh.
Muna rin pamahal lang.
Ay, pamahal niya.